Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be talking about a collaboration done with Asics and Jjjjound on the Gel Kayano 14s in the metallic silver and black colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be discussing the Jjjjound collaboration done with Asics. This was actually Jjjound's first collaboration ever with Asics, so pretty cool that he actually got two colorways. So we'll be going through the overview of the black metallic silver, as well as I will be bringing out the white and silver colorway as well. Then we'll jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled this, then conclude with how well these are doing on the resale market currently. So let's jump right into it. Again, this was inspired, both of these pairs were inspired by the early 2000s, just everything and anything really goes kind of aesthetic. So you'll see that we've got lots of different color schemes and materials used throughout this. So we've got nice mesh netting here on the toe box. We've got the metallic silver as well, which really pops with the black, and the black also has kind of a nice sheen to it. As we work our way up, we've got nice off-white laces, that same white netting going up the tongue, and then Asics is in black on top of that metallic silver colorway. We do have a darker metallic-y charcoal gray underneath that as well. If you're not feeling those laces, they do give you just some classic white ones as well. So let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so wrapping around to the side paneling, we do have that tiger stripe and that nice kind of sheen black color scheme, and it's outlined in that nice metallic silver. As we wrap around to the back, we've got gel in black, and that's also etched in black. And as we work our way to the other side, the lateral side of the sneaker, we've got the Gel Kayano 14 on top of the metallic silver. Again, that tiger stripe pattern in the black and silver colorway on top of that white meshing. The interior is in a nice, just heather gray color scheme with Asics in white. And as we work our way to the bottom of the midsole, we've got just a nice off-white sail colorway and some transparent cream color schemes going on as well, with a black, silver, and cream for the outsole, which will finish out the sneaker. So let's take a look at those last and final details. For those of you who do not know as well, Jjjjound is typically very limited when it comes to branding on his sneakers, which is why I think a lot of people really vibe with Justin Saunders' collabs that he does release. As you can see, this is the side that the Jjjjound is actually printed on. It's not even printed on both of the sneakers because the other one has the Gel Kayano 14 on it. But I do love how minimalist he is. Obviously, for those of you who don't know, he's a Montreal-based designer who started with a mood board, a very simplistic mood board, and that changed into having this like crazy successful design studio. So I love that he is doing a collab with Asics, just because Asics are one of my top tier, most comfortable sneakers that I own. So I was really excited because it got me back into these Gel Kayano 14s, and I'm now reminiscing again on how much I do love the brand Asics. All right, so now let's jump into size and fit on these. I am a 7.5 in these. I do have higher to narrow feet, so do take that into consideration when thinking about what size will work best for you, because if you have wider, flatter feet, that could actually differentiate something completely opposite from my own sizing. All right, so now let's jump into styling. This is just such a really easy color scheme to really dive into. I also brought out the silver and white colorway just to kind of show you some context. They are very similar. The only kind of differentiation going on here is that where you see the white is replaced with black, and I love them both so much I can't even decide which one I actually like more. But as far as this color scheme goes, I did want to keep it pretty neutral with the colorways that I used in the 3 looks. For the first look, I decided to wear this kind of open hold top that has a cute little E on the chest there with a matching maxi skirt. I think that cream tones really just vibe quite nicely with this because you do see cream throughout on the laces and also on that midsole. For the second look, I decided to wear an all-over monochromatic look. I wore a tan vest with matching tan pants for kind of a more upscale look. And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear a sweater that was navy and cream, and I wore a tan mini skirt. You let me know down below what was your favorite look of the 3, or how would you style these? Now let's conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So for some of you, you may be pretty shocked because Asics, depending on the collaborations they're done, can do very well in the resale market. And I feel like Jjjjound definitely has a loyal following, and that's where you're going to see how well these are doing currently and why. But these retailed at $180 and they're going between $280 to $400 depending on your size. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.